Hey, this is Steampunk Stories of AmberStreet.com, and I have gotten my DNA kit through Ancestry.com. I've never done this before, and I'm going to follow the steps. And I just activated my kit, or I'm in the process of activating my kit. It wants my name, my birth year, my gender. I have to give consent. DNA sample storing is voluntary. You can activate your DNA kit and receive results even if you do not give consent. Oh, guess I'll give consent. I have read the informed consent. I give consent. God, they want to make damn sure. You want to make sure that your DNA matches and will be listed as a match. Yes. To change your name. Show my complete ethnicity estimate in communities. That's fine. Kit notifications. You will receive email updates about the status of the DNA kit and any other DNA kits you activate to the email address associated with the account. My email address. Would you like to receive text updates? Sure. I'll put in my mobile number. Would you like to receive weekly emails? Sure. Let me submit and activate. Now here's the deal: is it's really good. You got your. I'm not going to show it here, but you get your activation code on the back, and then it has a guide, a really easy, simple guide with instructions. This is Ancestry.com. A little bit gross because I got to spit and fill up this tube. It also warns you do not eat, drink, or smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes, I guess, because that will screw up the DNA results. So step one, I got to fill the tube with saliva to the wavy line. So they give you, there's a few things in this box. You got the sealed tube, and I guess that's fluid for suspension of the DNA, because you're going to put the cap on, and it's going to preserve your DNA while you mail in. They give you a mail-in box, and then you got a looks like a static-free bag where you can seal the tube. By sending your sample, you acknowledge your sample will be processed by Ancestry DNA in the United States for purposes described in archive consent, blah, blah, blah. And then there's a little bit of a tissue. I'm not sure what that's for. But I see here it's got you don't have to lick it. It's just, you peel. It's got a peel seal. It's got a seal here that you can peel off and then seal the bag. I'm not sure. Oh, it has directions on the front. It says insert cap tube into bag, seal the collection bag, put the collection bag in a return mailer. Yeah, and so I like that they have prepaid box. They make it really, really simple. Man, that's a lot of spit that you got to do all the way to the wavy line. Okay, that's not as hard as I thought. I know that's kind of gross, guys. So it's got the funnel, and so I've filled it with spit to the wavy line. I got to replace the funnel with the cap. So I need to take the funnel off, and then it's got a cap. Okay, and squeeze tightly. Okay, and so now the blue fluid from the cap is now merged with the saliva, and I think it's that'll suspend the DNA, and then I guess this is if, like, you need to clean off or something. It's got like a little tissue. So collection bag. I'm going to seal my collection bag. There we go. My collection bag is sealed. I am going to put it in the box. I'm going to the post office today to drop this off. Oh, it says shake tube for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place in the collection bag, and then mailing your sample. So I'm going to put this in the box. This box is self-sealing too. It's got a peel sticker on the inside. Real easy, real straightforward. I mean, especially with COVID nowadays, you definitely don't want to be spitting or licking. You don't want to be licking seals. You know, I'm so glad, because I was always gross having to lick envelopes, seals, or box seals. So it is sealed and it is good to go. So when I go to the post office, I got to go do a return on eBay at the same time. I will hit 2 birds with 1 stone. And I've activated my kit, guys. So stay tuned for more. This has been a brief update about my DNA testing. This is amberstreet.com. This is Steampunk Star Raisin. You have a nice day, and I will see you 25 billion years, or will.